what would it be? And then, how did you feel when after Bride for English, which was a big hit, she was there with the
yung kanta na yun po yung kanta, siguro kung yung kanta, ang magandang kanta, pero hindi po ako nagsulat, yung Keep in Mind. Dahil that was coming from another writer. Tapos yun yung sa nakikita niya, yung kumbaga yung sa actions na pinapakita namin sa mga lumalabas sa TV, doon niya binasa yung kanta. So parang swak na swak sa amin. So parang sa akin, Keep in Mind. And when Kim was paired ko, okay lang naman po. Siyempre nagtatrabaho naman po kami. It's watching her work, watching her be successful at teleserye, okay lang po yun. Nabalitaan ko nga po sa nung last contract signing na po kami dalawang pelikula together. One with Miss Ai Ai de las Alas po, and another one with Direct Joyce Bernal.